everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to break into the export business in Pakistan, especially in the halal meat industry. If you're aiming to export beef, mutton, or any meat product, this guide will walk you through from start to finish. So make sure you stick around till the end. First off, let's talk about the basics. Exporting meat requires understanding the target markets. Which countries are looking for what kind of meat products? How should the meat be packed to meet international standards? It's not just about selling, it's about complying with global quality and safety standards. Now moving on to the crucial bit, quality control. Remember, meat is perishable. Handling it with care is paramount to maintain its freshness and quality. This isn't just about storing meat, it's about maintaining its integrity every step of the way from slaughterhouse to shipment. Documentation. This can get a bit tricky. There are several documents you'll need, like the health certificate, product specifications, and the all-important Halal certificate. I will break down each document and tell you exactly where you can get them. It's all about being prepared to avoid any hiccups during customs clearance. Speaking of which, let's talk about packing and labeling. Poor packaging can lead to your shipments being held up at ports, causing unnecessary damage and losses, and you definitely don't want that. Lastly, let's not forget about establishing a strong relationship with your buyers. It's crucial in ensuring you get regular orders and maintain a profitable export business. So, whether you're sourcing meat locally from places like Karachi or Lahore, or dealing directly with slaughterhouses, knowing these steps will give you a solid foundation in the meat export business. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Drop your questions below and I'd love to help out. Until next time, take care and keep aiming for success in your business ventures.